welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. If you're new here, my name is Amida. I post fashion and styling videos. I post once every week. If you do like what you see, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button down below. This video today is what I got in the sale and what I got over the Christmas period. So yeah, I've got Zara parcel, I've got Asos parcel, I've got Misoma jewelry, I've also got another Zara bag which I got in the sale. So this is just bits that I got in the sale. When the Zara sale came on, I went on the sale website. Initially I wanted to get a coat, but I thought it was too expensive and it might go down, but unfortunately it got sold out. And yeah, so I just got a few of the things. So if you see something that you actually really want and you think it's limited, just go ahead and buy it if it's reduced. But if it's something that you think that, oh, maybe this could be reduced further, then I tend to wait. That's what I do personally with the sale. So I kind of gauge. I just don't go in immediately like the day it goes on sale and buy. I give it like a couple of days or a week, and if it's for me, it'll still be there. And I also got some stuff from Asos. I'll start with Asos. So from Asos I got this dress. It's a leather off the shoulder dress which I've already worn. I wore it for my birthday. It's very nice. When you wear it, it folds up, so I'll show you a picture. I wore it on Saturday with my friends for dinner. It's really nice, really flattering, and again it's kind of got like this ruching detail here for the stomach. So it's like, I think, would you say this is grey? I think so. So I'm colorblind, but yeah, that's what I'll call it. Yeah, so I got it from Asos on sale. It was in my basket. It was £45, but again it got reduced to £20, which I think it's an absolute bargain. I love it. I got this dress. So this dress, I wore it for my previous job's Christmas party. So yeah, it's lovely, like really nice. Again, it's similar to that dress. So I've worn this again. A picture will pop up on the screen. It's beautiful. It's velvet and it's one shoulder. It just falls on you like that, and that's the waist. Again, it's ruched and it kind of shows your legs. So I love it. Like you see on the picture, I really like it. It's a beautiful dress. So when I ordered this dress, it was £95, and I think a couple of days later it actually went on sale. So from £95 it got reduced to £33. Can you ordered a new one when it went on sale, and then I returned the one that I ordered for £95. So that's just a massive bargain for me, and it's a beautiful dress that I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of. So it's I forgot I got these pants from Asos. They are kind of dad grandpa style wide leg pants. Basically these pants were like £75 on Asos. It's quite long. It comes all the way down. I would be left in a size, I think 14. I like them. It's really nice when you put them on, and I'm going to have it altered and then I will style them properly. I would show you, but yeah, that's what it's like. It's really nice. I love them. High waist pants, comes all the way up. Let's see. Ow! I just want to show you how it looks. So yeah, but again I need to have them altered, and then I will get it styled, and then I'll show you. Another thing that I really wanted was my Misoma jewelry. I love Misoma jewelry. I think it's so beautiful. I love the gold. So I got this necklace. Let me see how I can open it. I got the necklace. It comes with a bracelet, and I also got a ring with it. The ring is actually small. I think it's gorgeous. I like the gold. It just makes an outfit. Just wearing this denim and my camisole and my cardigan, I think it just looks gorgeous. And then again, that's the bracelet. It comes with like the shine thing that you used to clean it. So let me shine. It comes in the packaging is very beautiful. I've actually chucked the packaging away, but it comes in a very Nice packaging. That's the bracelet. Let me see. Bracelet, I love it. It's really nice. It just makes your outfit look so expensive. It's really nice. The tone of the gold, like, is it reddish, you say? Yeah, it's gorgeous. I really like it. In Zara, let's see what I've got. I've actually not opened this box, so we are opening it together. Here's what I got. I got this hoops earrings. I thought it was actually smaller than these because I wanted to wear them to go to work, but it's a lot bigger than expected. But again, it's not bad. It was on sale. I got them for $5.99. I got these shoes. Love it. Love it. That's what it looks like. Push back so you can see. Love the heel. So I got it in a size 7. I'll style them again and then I'll style them and show you. But that's what it looks like. I hope you can see. It's gorgeous. Like my strappy sandal. Love the color. So it's like blue. I don't know if you should say this is like greenish and then silver, so you can wear it with so many things. Just love it. I think it's gorgeous. I got this tweed Chanel-esque blazer. It is gorgeous. If it doesn't fit me, I'm just gonna die. I love it. I hope it fits me, but I'm thinking that it might not fit me. It might look too small. But yeah, this was, I think, $89 or $99.99, and I got it for $49.99. Again, yeah, I love it. I think it just looks so expensive. Let's try it on and see if it fits. Oh, yeah, it's a bit like maybe tight on the hands, but it will do. I think that's the style. That's what it's supposed to look like. Totally love it. I love it. It's just something that you wear. You don't have to wear anything else. Definitely keeping it if you want to close it, which I don't think I need to, but yeah, keeping it. Definitely. Even if I have to lose weight to fit in it. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. I love it. Love it. The shoulders and the quality looks so expensive. I've been wanting this tweed blazer for ages. You just wear this with your jean. That's it. You're just good to go. I love it. I love I'm so sorry. I don't know. I'm so excited. But like the gold buttons, it's not too. I'll bring it closer so you see the buttons. So that's the gold button. So yeah, it's just gorgeous. It's just beautiful. And the sandal. Excuse the mess behind. But yeah, I'll come a bit closer so you can see. It's just gorgeous. Another thing I got from Zara, pants as well. These again, these are similar dad or granddad pants, high waist. These are more like white leg. I think those ones are like straight legs. So I got these again. These are high waist, like dark gray. I got it in a medium. It was only the mediums climbing on my bed. Climbing to show you. So yeah, so just high-waisted pant like this. That's what it looks like. And again, I'm gonna have them altered a little bit. It's a bit loose on the waist. So I got this in a UK size medium, waist 28. That's the only one they had. Again, I got it in the sale. It was $49.99 and I got it for $19.99. It's to work. You can dress them casual with your trainers as well. So yeah, you can wear with heels. It's really nice. So I wanted these pants and I think it's a good buy. I just need to think of how much it's gonna cost me to alter them, but I love them anyway, guys. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the haul and you like the items that I've showed you. As you can tell, I love them. I'm very excited. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm very happy with all of the pieces that I've got because I feel like I can wear them for a very long time and I can style them in so many different ways. So that's how I'm buying clothes these days. So I will hopefully style everything in a week or two once I've altered the pants and also the jackets and the shoes. Yeah, just show you how I would style them basically. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you're still interested in any of these items, I would link similar ones in the description bar down below. You've seen, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button down below. You can follow me on Instagram at amidawil. Until next time, have a lovely week. Mwah. I love that item.